Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's a 14 by 14 inch canvas that I have applied a layer and a puddle, or layers and a puddle of Sherwin-Williams paint to. And I'm just going to quickly go around the outside edge with my Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula you can find on my Amazon link. It's by Good Grips. I recommend them. I have a bunch. I use them always. So I'm kind of hoping that this is going to work out as well as my first attempt to do a wrecked bloom, which was on a 12 by 12 canvas. And basically what I did was the same thing, spread it a little bit toward the outside and then tip the center so that it met and filled in the gaps. I think I also swiveled it around so I could access it more carefully. I think there's probably more paint on here than I need. But I don't mind that it's spread out a little bit. I'm going to get rid of that spatula. And I'm going to do something I imagine might be foliage-like. And I'm going to go give myself new Color Art colors. These are Primary Elements. This is from Fairy Tales. This is Alexandrite. This is London Blue. I am going to throw in what? I'm going to throw in a little bit of my custom-made plum blossom looking mix because I like purple in my greens. And this time I'm going to put in some frog prints. And finish with some Burmese red. Now I'm not going to put the central piece in until later. I'm hoping I didn't make a mistake putting down more than one. This is Amsterdam Black in Aussie Floetrol. I don't pass out. I think I'm going to do one. Wow. Yeah, I might. Whoa. That's a head rush and a half. So I'm going to start. I'm going to give myself another little bloom. And that was the same thing, the same print, frog prints. Yeah, Alexandrite. Some of that custom mixed purple. And the Burmese red. I think I want a little bit more frog prints. I didn't get very much of my frog prints and I'm disappointed. So I think what I'm going to do is give myself some more frog prints anyway. See if I can bring some of it about. I blew a little too hard and wound up in the paint, in the base pillow paint, which is Sherwin-Williams, by the way. Okay, now I'm going to use some Mayan gold. You know what? I'm going to wreck this first. Hopefully that's wrecked enough. And then I'm going to go Orange Crush. That's a Mayan Gold Prizm Pour. Orange Crush. I'm going to do the Jasmine Primary Element. I'm going to use a little bit of Orange Peel Primary Element that has some gold sparkle in it. Might be a lot of orange in this. I have Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And I want to use some sour lemon that has a little bit of orange crush mixed into it. But because I love jasmine, I'm going to go back again and add some more. And then I'm going to try and get the majority of my bottles out of the way as quickly as possible. Because I plan on spinning right after I blow this out. I've wanted to use some white, but so far the black is working so well, I don't think I'm going to risk it. Well, I see that I blew too hard again over here, so I'm going to give myself permission to do what I did with the Fandango. Go back in. And then, that might be a little odd, huh? I don't want too much of a tail to pull in after. Alright, this is going to be interesting. I think I want to wipe that off and use it. I really could put some more green in. I'm so inclined. I'm going to do it. I can't help myself. I might lose it all too. I kind of think I should have had a second color. I like that. Maybe it'll be okay. The thing is, I'm not used to wrecking, so I'm going to have to continue to wreck somewhat anyway to keep the cohesive quality of the... And a lot of it's going to fly away. I'm sure of that. And it's time to find out. Let's pull one more. That looks like its own flower right there. So I'm going to pull into that center. And spin it around. And we'll just pretend that that's another flower. Throw in a spiral. Because I can. Alright, I see a spot. I'm not going to leave it. Are there any other spots I'm worried about? Because they will expand. I know they will expand when I spin. And become unmanageably large. If they've got a spiral in them, at least that makes them interesting. Alright, a lot of paint or not aside, let's go for it. Yep, there was a lot of paint on there. So my idea was to give myself a flower or a flower-ish center and foliage colors around the edge. We'll see how it works. Wow, that's huge and kind of cool. I see a bubble. And I got it. I don't know how much further I need to spin. That looks more like a butterfly landing than anything. That's pretty cool. One-wing butterfly. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. So because there's so much paint on there and I have one uncovered corner, not very uncovered, but I feel like it's necessary to spin. And I want to do something with this right here. And all the other shapes are okay with me. Even that ethereal petal shape there. One more time. I'm going to remember that I need a lot more of the pale green if I want to see the pale green more. And I definitely used enough pillow paint. I'm always happy when my painting doesn't fly off when I spin hard. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves, please. Give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. Your donations help keep me painting. If you'd like to make a donation through PayPal, the icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Alternatively, you could become a member and have access to a members-only library of more than 110 videos. So that is pretty cool, and I definitely think that is a malformed butterfly, but maybe I can fix it. It's got all kinds of weird wings in different places. Well, it's less weird shaped. And more like a butterfly. So that's my story and I'm sticking to it. I think this is your best way up. So I think this is going to look pretty much like it looks now when I make a thumbnail for the video. And I'm going to shimmer that at you. And that's a big bloom. I could probably work on my blooms a little bit. I really haven't done a whole lot of this style painting before, but I'm enjoying the negative space and the composition is fun. And blowing out the blooms is a head rush, to say the least. So there's some beautiful shimmer in there. I've got a paint dish around here. I'm going to have to scrape up my paint with my Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula and maybe do something else. I see that bubble. I will torch briefly. I'll also look for bubbles with a skewer because I see one. You guys take care of each other, take care of yourself. Did I say that twice? On my link tree, you will find, near my link tree, you will find a 20% off Color Art coupon code that is 27% until March 10th, 2023, but it'll go back to 20% after that. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork. please give me a thumbs up. I asked for that already. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time most days. Questions are welcome and encouraged. I'm happy to help you. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Yeah, I'm all over the map. Sorry. Thank you guys for the wonderful kind words and comments to keep my morale boosted. Check out my Amazon link. It's on the link tree along with my couple of websites that I'm working on. And Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, or some variation on that theme. Le Gallerist, Society 6. Under the video you'll find spring clothing. If you ever want to see a design added to clothing or any of the merchandise at any of the places that you can easily find on my link tree, just ask me and I'll do my very best to add them. This is very cool. I'm loving all the lacing. It's awesome. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you come again. I have 29 playlists of 100 videos, going on 30 playlists of 100 videos, and a members library list separate from that. And everything is also organized by topic and genre. So if you need something or you like something and you say you like it, I'll probably include a playlist in the comment reply. If you need something and you want to ask me, please feel free. It's no problem for me at all to help you out. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.